How to add bullets in WhatsApp message. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the bullets in your WhatsApp message, go ahead and tap open your WhatsApp app. Now from here, firstly select on the conversation. Now to add the bullet in the message box, just go ahead. Then from your keyboard, make sure you switch into the symbols. Right here, all you need to do is basically tap on the dash button, then give a space. And as you can see, the bullet has been formed. If you want multiple bullet, you can add so by just tapping on the dash and a space. So this is how you can get multiple bullets in your WhatsApp. Isn't it simple? If you have not got the feature yet, you need to update your WhatsApp. For that, just tap open your Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. We hope that you found it helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.